How to fix a keyboard typing wrong characters. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the settings application on your device over here, as you do that, scroll down and launch the additional settings option over here. As you do that, you can see the option of languages and input. So a lot of times the keyboard typing wrong characters issue are due to the languages that we have selected. So if you have preferred a wrong language over here, then this issue might come up. Next, after checking on the languages, you need to go to your current keyboards over here. Here you can see it's the Gboard right now. Now go to manage keyboards and here select the correct Gboard over here, or the correct keyboard that you want to get it for your device. You can just toggle off and toggle on and just relaunch the keyboards, and this might also help you in fixing your keyboard typing wrong characters issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.